If your gas fireplace won't light up, knowing how to check the gas supply and ignition system can save you a ton of frustration and cold nights. So first off, make sure the gas valve is open. Sometimes it's the simplest thing but easy to miss. Next, check if you can smell gas safely nearby, because if there's no gas flow, the fireplace won't fire up. If you don't smell anything, it might be a supply issue, or the pilot light might be out. When it comes to the ignition system, try using the manual ignition button a few times. Sometimes it just needs a little extra attention. If nothing happens, look for dirt or debris around the pilot, light, or burner, since that can block ignition. Don't forget to check the batteries in your remote or wall switch if your system uses one. Also, if your fireplace has an electronic ignition, listen for clicking sounds when you try to light it. That's usually a good sign the system is trying to work. Lastly, keep in mind that safety is key. So if you smell gas strongly or feel unsure, it is best to call a pro rather than risking it yourself. One of the biggest mistakes with gas fireplaces not igniting is ignoring the gas supply. People often forget to check if the main gas valve is fully open or if there's a shutoff somewhere along the line. Another common issue is a clogged pilot light or burner area, which stops the flame from catching. Cleaning these parts gently usually helps. The third is faulty ignition systems. This could be dead batteries in remotes or switches, or electronic igniters that just wear out over time. Replacing batteries or calling for maintenance can fix this quickly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. Contractors also get a chance to connect with real clients ready to start their big home projects right away.